This 2024 Jayco Jay Feather 21mmL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, smoke detector, stovetop burner, oven, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, leveling jacks, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Jay Feather 21mmL is 5,110 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.